So now we're going to use all of these props in a variety of ways. So the first thing is the zafu. So you can use these a bunch of different ways. If you notice, if I put it on its side like this, it's higher. If I put it this way, it's lower. If I use two of them, it's about the height of one on its side. So everybody's body is different, if you didn't already figure this out. Everyone's body is different, and your body will be different depending on what you're doing each day, what you've done earlier, later, what you're doing next. So that's where these knee cushions and or a blanket come in handy, is to sort of adjust the height. So if I've done yoga and I have not been sitting in a car for 6 hours, I can sit pretty comfortably on a zafu just by itself, okay? So generally you sit cross-legged. It's a really good idea to switch which leg goes in front, to do that regularly. The idea of sitting cross-legged is that both sit bones are grounded and that your knees are down. So if I had been sitting in a car for 6 hours, my knees would not be down right now. They would be kind of like this, and both of my sit bones would not be grounded. I'd be a little bit like this. So in that case, I would either turn this on its side. So now I'm up a little bit higher. Now my knees have so much more room to come down, and I can ground my sit bones. And if you notice, I just moved myself a little bit forward on the cushion so that both of my sit bones could come down. Your pelvis is a bowl. I don't know why we don't teach this in schools. Probably because we can't talk about our pelvis in schools. Oh no. So your pelvis is a bowl, and it can roll forward. And when it rolls forward and the water would be coming like out the front of the bowl, my back arches. When I tip the bowl of my pelvis back, and I'm like this, and the water will be pouring out behind me, my lower back is tucked under. So you want to be in between those two places, and I can't tell you where that's going to be for you. You have to figure that out for yourself, because I don't live in your body. And in my body, it's different all the time. So right now, I'm on this cushion like this. It's up pretty high. If this were not comfortable, I could put some of these guys like that. So I make a little ledge with my knee cushions. And then I place the zafu on top of that. And now if you notice what I did, this angle is going to ensure that my pelvis is going to be neutral, and that I'm going to be sitting on both of my sit bones, right? Because I have a little bit of a booty, so I need the cushion to be a little bit forward so that my booty can land on those cushions, and then my pelvis isn't going like this or like this. It's neutral, just like that. So if you don't have these cushions, you have a blanket, you've got some towels, you've got some couch pillows, you make yourself a little nest. Now, if you have problems with your knees, one of the better ways to sit for knee health and longevity is in what we would call Virasana in yoga, warrior pose. I'm sorry, hero's pose, got that wrong. Virasana, which is hero's pose. So you need to put the cushion up a little bit higher, and if you notice, I moved it this direction so that it can kind of be there. I can sit on it like this. If I needed it even higher, which a lot of people do, especially if your hips are a little bit tight, good trick is like that. It's very nice. It'll be real comfy. A little bit too high for me, but if I were like 6 feet tall, this would be money. Sit like this. Sit like this all day. Super comfortable. And it's good to switch. So it's good to go in between cross-legged, like I started, cross-legged, neutral pelvis, both knees down, knees flat. And then switch around, sit like this sometimes.